know that today we are going to make something from my country. And most of you all know that most of my life I grew up in India. And today I'm going to show you what breakfast looks like in India. So today we are going to make a coconut chutney. So I'll show you what all we need for that. 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon of ground ginger. This is roasted red chili peppers, 2 shallots or small onions, roasted red chili powder, some mustard seeds. These mustard seeds, do you remember when Mrs. John keeps saying that we just need faith like a mustard seed? So this is what God keeps telling us, that we just need faith like a mustard seed. Some green curry leaves, salt, ghee, coconut oil, and a blender. Now I'm going to add the grated coconut into a blender. Then I'm going to add the ginger. I'm just going to take 1 roasted red chili, 2 teaspoons of roasted red chili. We like spicy food, so, and then I'm going to add like a few curry leaves into this, a little bit of salt. And after the salt, we need to add some water. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water so that we can blend it properly. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to blend it, and I'll bring it back. So I'm back, and this is what it looks like. I blended the grated coconut and the red chilies. So I'll show you what it looks like. It kind of looks like this. It kind of looks gooey, but it tastes really yummy. I love coconut. So yeah, now we are going to do the last step. Fry the onions and put the mustard seed and a little more curry leaves, and then we're done with coconut chutney. So I have taken a pan, in India you say a kadai, and to that I'm going to add some coconut oil. So 1 tablespoon. So once you add the coconut oil and the oil gets hot, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. So I added the mustard seeds, and if you can see, it's slowly starting to splutter, and it has to splutter a little more. And I can smell the mustard seeds, so I think it's good right now. And now I'm going to add in the roasted red chili. I'm just going to fry it a little. And then you can hear the mustard seeds popping. And then to that I'm going to add some green curry leaves. That's also spread. And then to that, I'm going to add my red onion. I'm going to fry it for a light brown. Once you see the onions turning golden brown, a little brown, you can see the edges are turning golden brown, you are going to add your mixture, the blended grated coconut mixture that we made. So to this I added water, and it just needs to cook a little bit till the whole mixture becomes warm or hot, and the coconut chutney is ready, guys. So now we're going to make the main dish, and that's called dosa. And I love dosas, especially the ones that my mom makes. She makes crispy dosas. And after I came to the US, this is the first time I'm making dosa from scratch. So it's a long process, but it's easy. You need to have 3 cups of dosa rice. That's a different type of rice. This is dosa rice, 3 cups of dosa rice, and 1 cup of urad dal. It's a lentil. I'm going to soak it in water for almost 8 to 9 hours, maybe overnight. And then I'm also going to add some cooked rice into the blender, and I'm going to blend this all together. And then you get a mixture, like a batter, and I'll show you how the batter looks like. So I already blended this, and I had to keep this batter too for another 8 hours. I added some salt, and this is how the batter looks like. So there's soaked rice, there's urad dal, and also some cooked rice, and I blend all of this together to get this batter. Now I'm going to make some crispy dosas, and hopefully it tastes like my mom's. I miss her. So now we're going to make the main dish. I have the batter with me. So for that you need a flat pan, and then you just have to heat the pan for a little bit. You don't put any oil or anything. If you want, you can sprinkle some water. When the pan is a little hot, you just pour the batter just like a pancake, but it's going to be really thin. I'm going to take the batter. I'm going to add like 1, 2. Then I'm going to just make it, and I'm going to flatten it as much as I can. Then add some ghee. Just a little bit. So there are different types of dosas. Some people add potatoes in it, some people add chicken and all of that, but the basic way to eat this is with coconut chutney and dosa, and that's a typical South Indian breakfast. And this is my favorite breakfast. So I flattened the dosa and I added the ghee. Now I'm going to flip it. It. I'm going to put it on my plate. I made 2 dosas and added some coconut chutney, and this is a typical South Indian breakfast which I really love. And if you guys want to try some, you can come on over after the whole lockdown's over, or I can make it for you at school and you can all enjoy this. There are so many different countries, and each of these countries have their own cuisine, and I come from India, and India has 2 types of cuisines. You can categorize them into North Indian and South Indian, and this is a typical South Indian. I'm from the South. Hope you guys are doing great and enjoy.